Now the silent B, but only in certain positions. The B is silent when it comes after M, usually at the end of a word. Some common examples are lamb, comb, thumb, bomb. That's lamb, comb, thumb, bomb. So that bomb, we hear the B at the beginning, but it's silent at the end. So the B is purely decorative. Some practice sentences. She stroked the little lamb. I need a new comb. He injured his thumb. It was a complete bomb. So don't release a B sound at the end. One clean M. Stop. So if you pronounce the K or the B, you won't sound clearer, you'll just sound odd. Remember that.